In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the heat map in TradingView. If you're interested in gaining insights into market performance, understanding how different stocks are doing, and visualizing data in a more intuitive way, this feature is perfect for you. Let's dive right in and explore how you can efficiently use the heat map function on TradingView to enhance your trading analysis. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the TradingView website. Once there, direct your attention to the top of the page. Here, you'll notice a menu bar positioned to help you easily access various features TradingView offers. The first thing you need to do is click on the Products option. This will open up a drop-down menu giving you an array of choices to explore. TradingView is known for its wide array of tools and resources, so you'll find quite a bit here to assist with your trading endeavors. Now, from this drop-down menu, you'll want to focus on locating the Screeners section. Screeners are incredibly useful for filtering stocks based on various criteria, but our interest today is specifically in visualizing data using a heat map. After you've identified the Screener section, you'll see an option labeled Stock. Simply go ahead and click on that. This action will lead you to the next step, where you can unlock the powerful visualization tool known as the heat map. Upon clicking Stock, your task will become exceedingly straightforward. You'll be directed to another option called Heatmap. Selecting Heatmap will transition you to a vibrant, colorful grid. This grid is designed to display the performance of various stocks across a selected index, such as the S&P 500. What you'll see is a collection of squares, each representing a particular stock. The colors of these squares can range dramatically depending on each stock's performance. Generally, green shades will indicate a rise or positive performance, while red shades suggest a decline or negative performance. This colorful representation allows you to quickly and easily gauge how different sectors or stocks are doing at a glance. This feature is invaluable because it condenses an abundance of information into one digestible visual, enabling you to make faster, more informed decisions. Moreover, if you're interested in drilling down further into specifics, many of these heat maps allow you to click on individual squares. This will usually provide more detailed information about that specific stock's performance, including price changes and percentage gains or losses. In conclusion, the TradingView heat map is an excellent tool for traders who are looking to enhance their market assessments with a visually appealing, informative resource. By simply navigating through a few options, you gain access to invaluable data presented in a way that is both informative and easy to understand. So, go ahead and try it out for yourself. Explore the various heat map features and see how they can fit into your analysis toolkit. Thank you for